I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. It's fun having the Office 365, well, now it's Microsoft 365 subscription, because you're going to see some new gizmos pop up in Microsoft Word. So look here, the editor. It's also on the review tab in the proofing group. I noticed this new button a few weeks back. The editor. What does it do? Why is it here?
Get on with it.
Here's a screenshot of the original Word 2019 Home tab. Compare it with the current version. New additions are dictation, which I cover in another video, and editor. New and new. And here, look at the review tab. Here's a lovely dissolve into the current version. Okay, yeah, I'm getting on with it. In the old days, pressing the F7 key activated document proofing. Yes, it was the original Word spell check command. No more. Mash that F7 key. Behold the editor pane. This thing isn't new. Here's an older video where I use the check document button, same location, and here's its editor pane, which looks different because it was static. This editor pane clicks away as you type. So let's see. I think this is kinda cool. And you can see that the total suggestions indicator increments because kinda isn't really a word according to the editor. Here's a document I wrote earlier to illustrate how the editor pane can be useful, and it didn't take much effort. Like most editors, the new word editor thing is always looking for ways to annoy you. Here goes. So click the big blue button to churn through the editor's suggestions. Click. Ah, grammar issue. This is a suggestion. I think the comma here is entirely appropriate. So click the next chevron, and clinically is spelled wrong. Wasn't auto-corrected, so I'll fix it. Another suggestion, and I'm okay with a contraction, so you get the idea. This word is spelled incorrectly. Now, I probably should have right-clicked on it and chosen the proper word when I was typing, but I was busy or distracted, or I intended to return to the spot, whatever. You see a list of suggestions and other info, so I can choose the proper spelling here. By the way, this is how spell checking worked back in the old days when it wasn't on the fly. So here's the ancient DOS word processor, WordPerfect 5.1, running through a spell check session. I actually went back in time to record this screen. Does it look familiar? That's because this is kind of how the editor pane works. Click Next, review word choices. Nothing new, nothing to see. So don't let the editor thing freak you out. It's just another improvement to Word, subtle things they add and change over time. Hopefully I can catch them all and share them here with you. And remember, this information is not in any of my books because it's new, and that's why you're here watching this video. Thank you.